kayong gayahin, huwag kayong magtuturo or mag-ingay. Okay, because I don't know if I actually right. By then, just don't let to copy, because yeah, ay naingay yun na gusto kong gayahin. I don't know, because yeah, I don't have this understanding. I don't know if felt that's right, because it's the understanding is, yeah. So if for you it's disrespectful, then you have to stop, because you don't know. So it's like copying, or parang talking to, parang nakikipag-usap ka lang sa hangul. Alam yung hangul, yung nakakapagsalita. So, you know, para magkakaintindihan kayo, kailangan mo rin maging isang hindi nakakapagsalita. Diba? So, yung ingay na ingay. Naingay na ako. I don't know, but, you know, and yeah, just, yeah. I think that's disrespectful. Anyway, so, yeah. Ang ingay, hindi ko alam kung saan sila. Oh my God. Huwag ka na yan, lagyan ng duyan sa taas. Yeah. So, yeah. Abangan ko naman. Hi guys, nasa YouTube na ako, pero I'm still not opening yet. Welcome to my vlog. Ba't kaya ang ingay nyo? Because I'm gonna copy it, because it's the response. Even for me or for you, it's a disrespect, because it's the understanding. Still, yeah. So, ewan ko, like, oh my God. So, I hope it's not disrespect, because I'm just gonna copy it. Gagayahin ko lang siya, and then, ayun na yun. And, sana mali yung akala ko, hinala ko na bastos siya. Yeah. Yun lang, kasi gagayahin ko siya. Kaninong aso to? Yeah. Mahal naman siya. So, yeah. So, make sure the noise. Gagayahin lang yan. So, yeah. Okay. Yan lang. Hindi pa ako nag-open ng ating vlog. Hindi ko pa nire-review pa. Yeah. Thank you. Grabing swerte ko. How lucky I am. Like, I don't know. Like, that's not smart. Actually, it's smart where a lucky. Yeah. So, oh my God, that's sad, huh? So, make sure of the noise, because it's like the understanding of, yeah. So, yeah. Yeah. Ay, sorry. Oh my God. Ang hirap. Diyan na nalagay. aking ang aking outfit for today. Ayan, ano lang siya kagalit. Ayan. Ang aking hair lalim. Ayan, ang aking labahan na sobrang dami. Many. Pero maybe ang aking vlog for today ay wala akong alam. And kailangan ko siyang malaman. Magkaalam. Yeah. So, make sure the noise because I'm gonna copy in it. Kailangan ko magsalita naman itong mga tao kong mga demon. Because, yeah, they wanted to hear to stop. Why do I have to, yeah, speak it, put the noise, like, you know, yeah, because they move it like, yeah. Yan na lang ako mag-upload. Because I'm gonna copy in it. I don't know if actually felt that I right. So, if it's disrespecting, I'll be bad and sad. Because I don't intentionally do. Yeah. Ba't kaya sila tumitigil pag naririnig? Di ko magets. Yeah, tinitigil nila pag naririnig nila, guys. Sa YouTube na to, ha? Hindi ko pa siya na-open. Do I put the noise? Like, stop! Oh my God. Pinag-uwat. Wala talaga kayong alam. Magkano lang pag-uwat ka. Yeah.